Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs using plastic wrap. This easy method ensures your eggs are perfectly shaped and cooked. First, you'll need a small piece of plastic wrap and a bowl. This technique is fantastic for beginners and seasoned cooks alike, guaranteeing a beautiful presentation and delicious results without the usual fuss of traditional poaching. It's truly a game changer for breakfast or brunch. To prepare your egg pouch, start by lightly greasing the inside of a small bowl with a touch of olive oil or butter. This simple step helps prevent the egg from sticking. Next, carefully line the bowl with a piece of plastic wrap, ensuring it forms a nice cup. Then, gently crack one egg directly into the plastic-lined bowl. Be careful not to break the yolk. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking tips. And on another note, imagine enjoying your perfectly poached eggs while reading your favorite book. You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for all your reading needs. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, carefully gather the edges of the plastic wrap and twist them tightly to seal the egg inside, creating a neat little pouch. Make sure it's secure so no water gets in. Gently lower this sealed egg pouch into a pot of simmering, not boiling, water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a bit longer if you prefer a firmer consistency. Remove, unwrap, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.